guys, this is Mike. In this video we are going to go more in depth on the Sprites draw function. Let's start by opening up Orion Dev and opening up the project from last time, drawing sprites. So last time we just drew 3 images, in this case penguins, on the screen. And we only used 2 arguments in the draw function, the x and y coordinate. But there's several other arguments we can use. So as a comment, right above where I draw, I'm just going to type these arguments. So the first 2 we already know, the x coordinate, the y coordinate. The third argument is the rotation of the sprite. So if we gave a rotation of 180 degrees, our sprite would be upside down. Next is the frame argument. This is for animation. We're not going to go into animations in this video. That'll be a later video. The next argument is the scale width of our image. And the width scalar of our image is just the scale of the sprite's width. So if this scale is 1, it's whatever the size of our image is on its width. If this is a 2, it multiplies that value by 2. So when it's 2, it's twice as wide as it is tall. And the next argument is scale height, which is very similar to scale width, except it's the scale of the image's height. And the next argument is a color. And this color is just like the other one, or the other ones we've been using, which is red, green, blue, but also we can give it a alpha value. And alpha is the image's transparency. So when our alpha is at 0, our image is completely transparent. And when alpha is at 1, the image is completely opaque, meaning that whatever it's on top of, it will cover up. So on the first, or I guess on the middle penguin, let's give it a rotation of 180. So our middle penguin should be upside down. On our left penguin, let's leave the rotation at 0, so it'll still be up and down. And I'm going to leave the frame at frame 0, which is the default. And I want to make it twice as wide as it is tall. So I'm going to put in a 2 and then a 1. And on the very right penguin, I'm going to give it a 0 rotation. I'm going to keep it at frame 0. I'm going to keep the scale of the width and height the same, but I want to give it a different color. And I just want to change its alpha value. So if I leave this as 1, 1, 1, the image's colors will be just like they regularly are. And if I change its alpha to 0.5, it's going to be kind of half transparent, half opaque. So let's go ahead and run this. Alright, so our middle penguin is upside down. Our left penguin is twice as wide as it is tall. And our right penguin is transparent, which it is. So go ahead and play around with these values, try mixing them, see what you can make. I'll see you guys in class.